Finally, on the VBS saga, the National Prosecuting Authority has slammed a Pretoria High Court ruling that will separate the trial of Limpopo ANC leaders Msiza and Kabelo Matsepe from the other 10 co-accused in the matter. While the case involving the looting of millions has been set down to resume on the 9th of September, the NPA has indicated its intention to appeal that decision. As Ntokozo Khumalo reports, the same court has ruled against another application made for a stay in prosecution.
A small but significant win for Msiza and Kabelo Matsepe's defense team. The two are co-accused in the VBS mutual bank looting scandal that wiped out more than 2 billion rand of depositors' funds.
We are feeling exceptionally happy because this has been a very long journey, you can imagine, for my clients, because look, at the heart of this matter, you are dealing with theft of money at VBS. And I think it's important for the public to have proper perspective. None of my clients are facing charges of theft and fraud.
However, Msiza, accused of collecting commission to get municipalities to deposit taxpayers' money into VBS, and Matsepe, who allegedly pocketed 35 million rand from VBS as a political fixer, were not granted a temporary stay of prosecution as they wait on their petition to the Supreme Court of Appeal. This is to challenge the High Court's dismissal of their application to get more documentation from the South African Police Service. Maluleke says the information is essential to allow their clients to defend themselves.
Which officials of the municipalities were corrupted by our clients? In writing, the state say we don't have any direct information. We are going to rely on circumstantial and similar fact evidence. So our clients are expected to come to court and be ambushed in a trial where the state itself doesn't know which are these officials that they have corrupted.
The National Prosecution Authority's national spokesperson said the judgment is not a loss for the state.
It's not a loss, but we are disappointed with the judgment, given the prejudice to the state, because our witnesses mainly will have to testify twice, and that's unfair to them. And obviously, prosecutors design a prosecutorial strategy for every case, and that will have an impact on that.
The state plans to appeal the ruling granting the separation of trial on the 9th of September.
We will wait for the full reasons that informed the judgment that he gave today. Then we'll put together a comprehensive and a strong leave to appeal, because we believe strongly that another court higher than this one will come to a different conclusion.
The VBS scandal sprung back to headlines last month after the bank's former chair, Chifiwa Matoti, entered a plea deal with the state and turned a state witness. This comes after he pleaded guilty to 33 counts of theft, fraud, money laundering, and racketeering. He was sentenced to 15 years behind bars. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Johannesburg.